Good afternoon. Almost said good morning. Good afternoon. Uh, my name is Finn Lavery. I'm with Lavery Photography, and today I'm going to take you on one of my shoots. This is it's a personal one, so I'm not doing it for a client. And we are just going to take some photos. Got some ducks over here, so that'll be good content. All right. So first things first, we got some random ducks here. It's an okay one. She will adjust. We'll adjust the ISO here. It's a little shaky. That was better. Oh, we got some swimmy ducks. Okay. Now, this is a good spot, but we're actually going to head. Alright, so change of plans. I have been to this spot, but this spot is really populated right now with ducks. So no, that one's really blurry. That one was pretty good. Alright. What should we have for some of these? More back photos. Alright. Now we'll go to that new spot. Alright, so this place is kind of a bad place for wildlife photography. But for landscape, it's not bad. Oh, we got a plane. Is it a day when we can get a picture of a plane? Turn down to like, I don't know, 40. Alright. Alright. And so I just kind of speed stopped at this area because I kind of like how it looks. Um, a couple pictures of a squirrel that ran by. Because, you know, why not? If there's wildlife in the area, I'm out here doing wildlife photography. Or, you know, more just whatever I can find. Partially wildlife photography, but an area that looks nice. Alright, so overall not bad. I'm going to stick to the yellow park area. Because there's just a lot better wildlife in the area. And they kind of like it a little more. But this area wasn't so bad. In the next couple of days, it's on Wednesday, is Monday of the time I'm recording. I will be going on a school trip to a hiking trail. I got permission from my teacher to bring my camera, so I will not be able to record video, or I will get some photos and hopefully get an Instagram started up for the labor photography. Anyways, guys, that is all from me right now. I'll see you next time. So, quick update: there are 2 photos that I cannot for the life of me found where I caught them in the video. Maybe the video of me capturing them was like deleted or something, but I'll post them in a community post where I have all the photos. However, for now there's just one part in the video where you can actually see the end results of the photo I took. But yeah, so check the community post area and you'll see all 3 of the photos that I thought looked nice after editing.